Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to work on a Gameboy Advance with no backlight. Let's get started. So today I'm working on a Gameboy Advance. It's an older Game Boy, but it works. The only thing that doesn't work is the backlight. So as you can see, it's working. We have a screen, but if we cover up the light up here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the backlight is not working. So we'll see if we can figure that out. Alright, we'll start off by taking this apart. It looks like it has a few screws in the back. Here's what I was interested in. This ribbon cable right here. From what I understand, some people have had good luck with cleaning these ribbon cables, the ends of them. So we're going to try that first. This ribbon cable is plugged in back in the back. Tab on each side, and that should pop out. Alright, I got this set up with the battery in it. See if I can get it to turn on with the case taken out. There we go. So a picture on the screen with no backlight. Alright, so I've got my meter out here. I'm going to check this backlight ribbon cable. This first two connections right here are the backlight, and so is this. This is also the backlight. Got my meter set for continuity. So if I've got continuity, I will have a beep. I'm gonna put my meter on the first one. Nothing. Put it on the second one. Nothing. So somewhere in this ribbon cable, the first two traces that run the backlight are broken. Not sure where it's at, really can't see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to solder a couple wires on here and then connect those on here and try to get our backlight going. Alright, let's hook this back up. Powered on. Alright, I saw the backlight flash on. I'm not sure if you can see that there. All right, so now that we know the ribbon cable is bad and that we can make it work, what I'm gonna do is take this all back apart, take the battery out of it. I'll have to put the ribbon cable and everything through the case and then solder them back on these connections down here. All right guys, finally got this taken care of. It was not easy. I couldn't solder those wires to that connector. They're just too small. And my old eyes won't let me solder something that small anymore. So what I ended up having to do is solder one wire to ground, the black wire to ground, and the other wire to the positive side of the on and off switch. And what that does is bypasses the switch on the backlight and makes it so that the backlight stays on all the time. I don't think that'll be an issue though. So here we go. Turn my light off of it so you can see. Turn the power on. And we have a backlight. I'm going to post some pictures in the video right here. And these pictures are of where I soldered the wires at on the board. So that way you'll be able to tell, if you need to do this yourself, you'll be able to tell where to solder them at. All right guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you for joining me as we made this repair. Hopefully you learned something. And maybe if you have a Game Boy that doesn't have a backlight, this might help you fix yours. Thanks guys. See ya.